I'm now getting ready to baste the quilt. Although I have ironed it, the backing and the quilt top doesn't look like it. But besides, I hate ironing. I seem to put more creases in it than I take out. But I've had to piece the backing and also my wadding batting. But I'm staggering the seams so I won't have a bulk. Yeah, I won't have a bulk to quilt over. So once I've put it on, checked all round that I've got enough wadding and backing. I aren't using any clamps because of the sheer weight of it will help to drag it down. As I say, I press the top and I fold it in half and then in half again, and I know that this is longer that way than that way, so obviously this is the width. So if I find out roughly the halfway mark, there, and I put my corner in it, and I'm going to have enough there. I've got enough here. Yes. Unfold it. I've got enough there. Although I could possibly do with a touch this way, because I have got more this side than that. So it's just a matter of sort of jiggery pokery until you find your exact bits, but it's easier to do it like this when it's in halves, the quilt top, rather than full. And I've got loads now. And then we'll fold it again. Sorry about me walking in front of the camera all the time, but yes, loads of wadding there. Got a few inches there, loads of cotton threads, quite a bit there. And loads there. So that is right, and this is the centre of the quilt. So I can start pin basting it, because I pin baste. Don't know if you'll make this out. I use these curved quilter's pins. As you can see, they're a bit curved. And basically you want to pin, put your middle one down, and then basically your fist, you want to make sure that you've got pins all around it. So that's the distance that you want to pin. Your fist goes in between. So just pin it all, and when I've done that in a few hours I'll come back to you. Like I said, a few hours later, and I've pin basted most of it. As you can see, I've gone all the way to the edge, that side and to the top, and then I realised I was going to run out of pins, so I made sure that I pinned all this middle Bargello bit, but this end bit is not pinned. So once I've quilted that, I'll get some of those pins back that I will actually put this pin base this down to do it. But I can do the majority of it now. I hadn't got enough pins, so I ordered some more, which came, but I didn't order enough. There's about 150 to 200 pins in there at the moment. Oh, I can start quilting now. Yay! Oh, I'm thinking these white bits, I'm going to put feathers in there, and these bits, it reminds me of an earthquake with the lava coming out the middle, so I thought I might do flames coming apart from it, so that'll cover this swathe and the feather will cover the white swathes, and then I think some more. But I'll show you next week what I do on it because my plans change all the time. Thank you. Bye.